how many properties are here, how many properties are published, pending, expire, total leads, total inquiries, total deals. All the things would be listed here. Hey people, how are you? Hope you all are good. Today we will show you a very specific website for real estate. This is a real estate for a Cyprus, and I will show you the website, everything. This website is for listing apartment, house, commercial, and all property will be listed in one page. So they can list their own properties and they can list others' property if they permission to them. So they can list and they can show them in website. And this website is CRM connected, so they can get leads and they can control everything, the messaging to the clients, the messaging to the owners or something who want to website or inquiries about website or any listing, and they can take bookings, they can take they can list their they can list the website's many features like 3D view, they can list they can add the location, they can add many more. So let's see and what we made here and what the new features we have added in this website. So it would be beneficial those who want to list their own property list in maybe anywhere in the world. Maybe you are a developed city, so you can list their you can make this type of website for you. So if you are a developer or if you want to make something like this type of website, you can contact me. I will guide you how can you do that and what plugin I used and how do I build this type of website, what functionality I make with which plugin and what. So let's start. This is the website homepage. So this is a Cyprus, and this is the demo properties. It would be removed in few days, and when they load more, then it will be load more. Here is commercial properties, and there is apartment, available houses. This would be apartments. So here is a filter that is so much effective for if someone wants only apartment or someone wants only commercial or houses. And this is bedroom. They can list, they can filter by bedroom and bathrooms, toilet, minimum price, maximum price, minimum area, maximum area, property ID, and they can search. So if they search, it would be go to the search page and show them what in here and everything. So they can filter out what they exactly need at this time, and this is more other features. So this is a good search optimization search engine that are good, and its website is so speed, so everything will load fast. So it's almost in your if your hosting is so much good, so it would be load faster. If you don't, so it would be sometime lag and sometime will be problem. So yeah, buy a good hosting. I prefer Hostinger, so you can purchase from Hostinger. This is not something like affiliate something, so you can buy from your site. So we are saying yes, this is a property, all property page. So there are many things I have to show. This is a fully controlled CRM. So you can see if I go to the dashboard, I can see all the properties are listed in this website, and how many properties are here, how many properties are published, pending, expire, total leads, total inquiries, total deals. All the things would be listed here. People can buy, exchange here in website. Also, they can do it manually. In activities means many of the people can see the activities of website, like who messaging, who sending, and what message is coming. They can track and they can connect here. And this is insights of which listing are going up, what are new insights in here. So this will be showing here. So they can track, they can see where from visitor coming, what is happening, which browser, which device are people using, what are searching for, where are they getting this type of leads, and etc. And in the deal, they can add deals, they can connect, they can add the people, they can give title, client name, contact name, agent, which agent are related to this. They can add many agents here and add value, how many they can save here. And also they can, if when someone send them to any inquiries or something, ask them, it would be as a listed as a list, so they can agent or some agent or agency or company can send them a message to the clients what the requirement or anything they need. Maybe they ask for any specific property, so they can send them any personal message and private message and ask them their needs. So it would be, all thing will be in one place. And in inquiries, they can also, people will ask about many maybe some of the properties, so they can check which property is for what, and they can talk to them and directly negotiate them. And all property will be here in property page. The agent can filter by the price range, property ID, and types and status. And also here is they can delete anything. They can stop. The admin can stop this one, can de-approve, or they can feature it, so it will be in fast page when the people. This is a fully we can make any type of website with this website, this type of functionality with this plugin, this houses theme. So we can do any type of real estate website, listing website, commercial website, property type, property listing websites, any type of IDX integration, any type of CRM integrations. We can add any type of here is a membership type things. They can sell memberships, they can add they can take payments. Anything are possible with this website. But here is limited things, because our clients have limited things. So yeah, we did what he want. And in create listing, they can create the listing by manually. So this is, they ask for manually, so yes, we did it manually. So they can select price range, pictures, videos, how many bathroom, toilets, and owner's name, and all the things are here. And here is the unique things is they will get commission, but it will not show in the homepage. So yeah, here is favorites, here is save searches, profile, and logout. So if I go the website, if I open any single property, it will show like this. So this is a featured. They can print, they can share, they can make it favorite. They can see the location of the website, location of this property, and CRM, property ID, and what type of apartment in this one, and how many bedroom, how many bathroom, square feet, everything will be here, and who is agent of this property. They can see also here. They can call them directly in WhatsApp, and they can send the message. It will be listed in CRM. You saw already. So yes, and the description, address, details, and there are many information about this property. All the things will be had here. If someone want to tour this this place, so they can take time, they can take a free time, they can book a reservation booking system here. This is video, they can add videos, the heating, this is energy class, and this is again, here is this is a contact information, this is a direct lead information, so it would be as a contact list. So both are same, but someone want to contact or someone want to direct lead, something like that. So yes, this is similar. So yeah, this is a profile page, so they can do the people can search, people can see what is the easiest way to search and filter and see everything. Here is we built it. So if you are a broker or agent, if you want this type of website, you can contact me. I can guide you how you can build, you can make your website like this, or maybe more features that you have in your mind. We will do all the things in website. Thank you for today. We will see what's in next coming and what we are building in next days.